Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two quick and simple ways to recover all your deleted photos from your Android phone. These methods are completely beginner-friendly, they don't require root access, and best of all, they can get your photos back in just a few minutes if you act fast. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on helpful tech tips like this. I upload easy, step-by-step tutorials every week to help you get more from your phone, apps, and everything in between. All right, with that said, let's jump straight into it. Method 1. Recover from phone recycle bin or trash. Most modern Android phones, like Samsung, Xiaomi, itel, or Tecno, have a trash or recycle bin in the Gallery app. Here's how to check it. Open your Gallery or Photos app, not Google Photos. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 dots or lines in the top corner. Look for Trash, Recently Deleted, or Recycle Bin. The name may vary depending on your phone brand. Tap it. Here you'll see photos deleted within the past 30 days. To recover, tap and hold on the photo, then tap Restore. The photo will be restored back to its original album in your gallery. Method 2. Recover from Google Photos website. This only works if your photos were being backed up to Google Photos before they were deleted. So if you use Google Photos and you've not cleared it, chances are your pictures are still safe in the cloud. Let's walk through it. Open your browser. Chrome works best. Go to photos.google.com. Log in with the same Google account you used on your phone. You'll now see all your backed up photos, including ones deleted from your phone's gallery, as long as they weren't removed from Google Photos itself. If you can't find the photo, click the menu on the left. Select Trash or Bin. Check if it's there. Google keeps deleted items here for 30 days. To recover, click on the photo or select multiple. Tap Restore, and it'll return to your main Google Photos library. Bonus tip, want the photo back on your phone? Once you've found the photo on photos.google.com, click to open it. Tap the 3-dot menu and select Download. The image will download to your phone and can be re-uploaded to your gallery if needed. How to make sure Google Photos is backing up your files. To avoid losing photos again, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Tap your profile picture at the top right. Select Photo Settings and Backup. Ensure backup is turned on and that you're using the correct Google account. And that's it. Your complete guide to recovering deleted photos using your phone's trash and Google Photos. If this helped, show some love. Like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more easy tech tips. Do you have a specific phone model or another recovery method in mind? Drop a comment and I'll do a video on it. See you in the next one.